Greetings, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to share some fascinating insights with you. Today, we'll pull back the curtain on a unique and vital aspect of industry maintenance, cemetery maintenance. A field of work that may not often cross your mind, but plays a vital role in our communities. We'll explore the world of cemetery maintenance, its importance, the size of the industry, and the challenges it faces. So stay tuned to learn about the nitty-gritty of cemetery maintenance and how it contributes to our everyday lives. Let's dive into the world of cemetery maintenance, a very specific subset of the wider maintenance industry. It involves the general upkeep of cemeteries, preparing new grave sites, and providing visitor amenities. You may not think of cemetery maintenance as a priority, but it's incredibly important. Cemeteries can stir up a range of emotions, from sadness to sentimentality. That's why the role of cemetery maintenance personnel is so crucial. They're responsible for creating and maintaining a space that is welcoming, clean, and organized. Now, you might be surprised to learn that the cemetery services industry is quite large. With nearly 38,000 employees, there are 7,500 for-profit cemeteries and over 17,000 municipal, military, religious, or nonprofit cemeteries in the U.S. That's almost 25,000 cemeteries nationwide, each requiring its own unique maintenance. So what kind of tasks are involved in cemetery maintenance? Well, the most common tasks are lawn maintenance, amenities upkeep, and adding grave sites. Firstly, let's talk about lawn maintenance. This is the most apparent task because grass spans most cemeteries. Regular mowing and tree maintenance are crucial, but it doesn't stop there. Personnel also must perform seasonal cleanups, irrigation, soil testing and fertilizing, and pest control. Secondly, we have amenities upkeep. Cemeteries act as both a place of rest for the deceased and as a place of visitation for sorrowful family members. Adding amenities such as trash cans, benches, and pathways can transform a cemetery into a visitor-friendly and welcoming location. This is also important for instances where the cemetery is a historic site. Proper maintenance of historic burial sites will preserve these cemetery landscapes and any monuments within them. Lastly, preparing the grounds for additional grave sites is a responsibility that often falls to the crew. It's crucial for maintenance staff to have a strong understanding of the cemetery as they continue to expand the number and location of grave sites in an organized way. Now, you might be wondering, who pays for all this cemetery maintenance? Well, cemeteries often face funding issues. They sell plots but take care of the property forever. Many maintenance funds don't generate enough income to cover all of the expenses that cemeteries necessitate. Underfunding is common across cemetery types, but public cemeteries such as national, municipal, and military cemeteries are particularly subject to this finance struggle. As cemeteries become full, no more plots can be sold and cash flow drops significantly. Some historical sites and large cemeteries can facilitate tours as an additional source of income. Other cemeteries simply rely on external sources of funding. Trusts, investments, and donations all determine the type of preventive maintenance program that a cemetery is able to sustain. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the world of cemetery maintenance. It's a complex and important area of the maintenance industry, ensuring that these important and sentimental places are well cared for. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey today. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of cemetery maintenance. We've covered its importance, the size of the industry, the tasks involved, and the financial challenges it faces. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources that can help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.